High concentration of dash in drinking water causes health risks for children. Options are: the correct option is C. High concentration of dash causes eutrophication. Options are: the correct answer is option D. Dash is necessary for the production of hemoglobin in blood. Options are: option A is correct. Slaked lime is. Options are: option B is correct answer. Alum is. Options are: the correct option is C. Gelatinous mass in coagulation is. Options are: the correct answer is option D. Colored and odorous compounds are removed from water by filtration through. Options are: the correct option is C. In chlorination of water, acid is produced. Options are: option A is correct. Distilled water is not suitable for. Options are: the correct answer is option D. Chlorination is not effective against the agents that causes. Options are: option B is correct answer. Salmonella enteritis in polluted water causes. Options are: the correct answer is option D.